Hello students, now I'll take your social science class for class 7. Now everyone take out your social science books and take out the books page number 219. And today we'll start from here. Functions of political parties. Political parties perform the following function. Number 1 is contest election. Political parties the contest election by putting up the candidates in the political arena from and run the government. The party which wins the majority gets the chance to from the government. It forms the government and runs is according the policies and ideology the political party after coming the government introduce and many economics and social scheme and boast they are the popularity. They are held the responsible for people needs and demands. If they do have the introduce the implement of the social and economic scheme, and they might be the popularity and are forced to step down from power in the next election. And next one is provide link between the people and the government. The ruling party convenes the policies and programs and government, the programs and of the government to the people, and they run the convey the problems of people to the government. On the other hand, the opposition's party makes the government aware the weakness in the government. Thus, through the political parties continue the channel of the communication and establish between people and government. And next one, provide political education and awareness among the people. Political parties try to impart political education among the people. People come to know about the major burning issues through them about who is the common man is totally ignorant. The ignorant and from public opinion. Common people generally do not take interest in the political problem. It is the political parties which put forward this problem to the people and the cast political accounting among them, and political parties take help from multimedia print media and spread their masses and make public opinion in their favor. And ruling party. In a democratic parliamentary system, party elected by the majority in the parliament in the court, the governing party is the democracy. It is the people to choose the government, exercising the voting rights and elected the responsibility. Various countries after these responsibilities with the majority of elections, and they are the leader asked from the government. The leader of the majority party heads and legislative and the legislators in the he elected other the minister and cabinet members and cabinets of the council. And rule of the ruling party, the head of the ruling party adverse and the executive and the cabinet, all the major decisions and appointment virtually and made by the head of the government, and the bodies like union, the cabinet, the planning and the commissions and the cabinet committees functions under his supervision. The legislative head serve in the link between the executive and cabinet. In the commission, the decisions council administered to the president governor. The head of ruling party is also the chairman of an extra constitutional advisory body. And next one is opposition's party. Opposition's party plays an important role in democratic country like India, and to the important role played by the opposition's parties can be grouped under the following heads. And now these are check and the misuse of the power by the ruling party. Opposition's party always works as a check of the powers in ruling parties, and that cannot work like the director, and it is due to the fear the criticism by the positions that ruling party does not misuse its power. And next one, forms public opinion in their favor. Political parties try to control power. For these opposition parties try to form public opinion in their favor to achieve their ends. Opposition the criticize weakness of the ruling party and the highlights their own policies, achievements, and thus they try to the formulated public opinion in their own favor. If they fail to mold and public opinion, ruling party in continue enjoy the support of the people with their policies and programs and spread political awareness. And the opposition parties make people aware what is going wrong, and government inform people about their rights and ability. As the result, public awareness is the granted is the good for the success and the substance of the democracy. The provides and the alternative. Elections give the opportunity to the people and change the government by choosing those parties which work for the welfare and the development of the country. Try to make government the accountable towards to need the people. Opposition parties serve the spokespeakers of the grievance of the people from time to time and convey them in govern them to the government. They pressures in the government of the accountable towards the needs of the people. For this purpose, they use different platform within and the outside of the legislature, and they the activity participate in the processions and get the articles and published in newspaper to take place etc. And coalitions of the government. The term the coalition government refers to the alliance between different political parties from and to run the government. They often have mutually agreed agenda on the basis of which they try to resolve the conflicts, and they follow the democratic principles common agenda as well as the seat sharing based on the strength of their representations in their legislative assembly. And history of the coalitions politicals in India. Politics in India. After independence, we have witnessed the dominance of single parties. What is enjoyed was vast majority, except in 1971 to 71 and 1984 elections. The graph one of the dominant party has slowly the steadily the declined. On the other hand, we see the rise of the nation's party, state and regional as well as the underconsist parties, which has the increase from 22 in the first Lok Sabha election to 1660 in the 16 Lok Sabha elections held in 2014. Previously, the coalitions was the conflict of the electoral power and sharing between the parties context and elections. They are the electoral power and their own. But the pre-elections, the coalitions beginning the image and coalitions are from among the parties, among the political parties and elections. The coalitions is based on their the common ideology among the certain policies. Since 1990, the Indian elections has the constantly delivered and the fragment and varieties of the state and central level. This has then led the political party with small ideological difference to come and together to lose the federations of the and the parties to strike a claim on power. The following are some the coalitions of the political parties in India, and these National Democratic Alliance, NDA, a national coalitions and headed by the BJP, and United the Progressive Alliance, a national level coalitions headed by the INC, Indian National Congress, and United Front, the third front of government in India, 1996 to 98, now defunct. And National Front, the headed by the Jonathan Tall and government India in 1989 to 91 now defunct, and left the Democratic Front, the opposition front in Kerala, and headed by the CPIM, and the Democratic Front growing the coalitions in Maharashtra. So this is the chapter, the name, the institutional representative of democracy, and this chapter today is finished. So everyone learn this chapter attentively at your home. Okay.